Whoa, what is that stuff? Oh my. Whoa. Oh, cool. I can use my cell phone. I like cell phones. Ugh. What are you looking at, you stupid cell phone? Ugh, I'm not a plant. Don't cut me. No. No. Huh? What in the? Don't paint me. Don't paint me. Don't paint me. Lick, lick. You're fat, you know. You should go on a... Ah, doctor! I don't need an appointment! What the heck? I don't have earrings. Woohoo! Ooh, cool.
His symptoms are in no way exclusive to post-traumatic stress.
Are you talking about me? You crazy, man! You crazy!